risk and manage insurance management. Unit 2, managing risks. In chapter 1 we have seen that different terms related to risk, the definition of risk, and different types of risk. Here we will look at how a risk can be managed. Managing risk is identifying risks and trying to find the most appropriate way to treat them by having these objectives. The objective of managing risk before the loss is just to prevent it, and after the loss happens, sustaining survival and profitability is the risk manager's objective. While managing, the one who manages the risk should be aware of the risks, and identify different risks. For every risk, he should estimate the frequency, the size, the probability, the severity of the risks. Then, so while estimating, if he got the risks have similar characteristics such as same level of severity, the loss with the higher frequency will be ranked higher or given higher importance. So the one who came frequently and who have more severity will be given more attention, and will find the best economical way to solve it for that particular risk. So now let's look at a risk management process. It will start by identifying a potential loss or a loss that might occur. This involves analyzing different hazard, perils, and exposure to losses. And we can use different techniques to identify a potential loss or risks. These are, for example, we can look at history of other same business from the insurance checklist, and from different businesses from insurance checklists, by preparing different questionnaires for different bodies, evaluating different company flowcharts. Flowcharts are diagrams that shows the input and output relation of different any company. So looking others financial statement to evaluate which area make more expense. So using this different technique, you can identify a potential loss. After identifying the potential losses, the next one is a risk measurement. ሪስክ ማኔጅመንት አልተማራችሁም? ሪስክ ማኔጅመንት ኢንሹራንስ ምናምን ነገር
ያን አንብበ ነው ከዛ የምታስረዳ?
አረ ከዚህ በፊት ተሰማሪ ጻፉትን ነው አሁን ትርፍ ሰዓት ሲኖረኝ ቪዲዮ ላደርገው
ናጆ